Hey everyone, I'm Evan and this is Safety Optional. And I'm doing a pre-flight on my trailer right now to make sure everything is ready to go for tonight. Because it's time for part 2 of our Jeep truck project. Come on! Is that the beauty right there? All right, let's hurry up and get this thing loaded up. Did it start today?
Yeah, it almost started.
All right. Well, I guess without further ado, this is what we're buying. 2005 Chevrolet Tahoe. And the reason why we're buying this is because of this GM 5.3 liter V8. Nice, it's missing an inner fender over here and a tail light and some other stuff. All right. Turn this way a little bit. We'll pull forward a little bit. Okay, stop. Okay, straighten it straight out. All right, now come on up. Perfect. Stop and rev it. All right, rev it again. Yeah, it's making black smoke. I think it's running rich.
I'm gonna kill it.
No, I want to plug in this OBD too and check it. Yeah, it's got to be running rich. It's got to have a misfire or something. What are our service brake system, traction control, things we don't care about, stability system disabled, service brake system. And again, we don't care about the stability control either. So, okay. All right, I got my ODB2 scanner here. Okay. So we know what it's got. It's got a random misfire and it's got an evaporative emissions issue. And of course the evaporative emissions is related to the gas cap and the fuel tank breather and all that stuff. That's not a big deal. Random misfire, it's going to be a spark plug full pack, and that's going to be I'm gonna bet that's the culprit for the black smoke coming out. It's running rich because it's not burning one or more of the cylinders.
Yeah.
Sounds like it may only be one.
Plan is to pull the drivetrain out of this and put it in the Jeep truck, the MJ.
What's your vision for the Jeep truck?
I want it to be a fun, just general utility vehicle that can do some light wheeling.
And burnouts?
Yeah, it's a burnouts for sure. It's not going to be a lowrider or anything like that. But,
this is a good Tahoe, man. This body's in good shape.
yeah, it's straight. Most of the panels aren't even dented.
This baby's worth a few bucks.
Yeah, we got to be able to get some money back out of it.
It's right here where we can pull parts off of it.
Let's walk it. We don't want anyone to steal our new baby.
It'd sure be a shame if somebody stole this thing.
All right.
All right, mission accomplished.
Thank you, brother.